Good evening, everybody. It's the Sassy Lass here with another Thursday Cricut tutorial. I finally decorated my Cricut. This is Impractical Jokers inspired. So give me a thumbs up if you like the show too, and comment below if you know what that's from. Today I'm going to be using Cricut's new patterned iron-on. This is the Nature's Walk set. You'll immediately notice a difference from other types of iron-on. This is very thin and it feels very gritty on the back. I'm going to be using the patterned iron-on as the apple, and I'm going to be putting this image onto a faux leather bag that I got from Walmart, which I may or may not be doing a giveaway for. Hint, hint. To set your material, browse all materials, iron-on, and then find the patterned iron-on. Leave your pressure setting on default. You need to use the light grip mat, which is the blue one. And just like any other iron-on, you have to put it pretty side down and mirror your image. Just follow the directions and then let your Cricut do its crickety magic. Since I had already put the green glitter vinyl on the same mat, I needed to adjust where the image would cut and mirror the image. There is actually a smarter way to do this, I just wasn't thinking, but I'll discuss it in another video. When using different types of material on the same project, be sure to change your material setting each time. And again, we let the Cricut do its crickety magic. You really notice a big difference in the patterned iron-on when you do the weeding. The backing is not sticky at all, which I kind of like. I have a small folding ironing board, so I just kept it folded and slid the bag over one side of it. Cricut has already added the patterned iron-on to its Easy Press guide online. Now, since I am ironing on a faux leather, I did not go this hot or this long. I only actually set it for about 300 and only pressed for 10 seconds at a time so that I wouldn't warp my bag. And I was sure to use Teflon each go-round. Each time I pressed it, I made sure the Easy Press was completely below the straps. I did warp it a little bit, but it's okay because it smoothed out in the end. I trimmed around my glitter and my foil iron-on pretty closely so that I could go ahead and do both at the same time. If you look really closely, you'll see that the foil and the pattern iron-on have both kind of taken on the texture of the bag, which is a good sign. So here's the final product of my cute little teacher bag, which I will be giving away if I get 50 comments. So be sure and share it with all of your teacher friends and family members. So if you would like to win this bag for yourself or a teacher friend or family member, all you have to do is comment with your name below, and I will do a drawing if I get 50 comments. While you're giving me a thumbs up for my Impractical Jokers inspired Cricut, or commenting with your name below to win the bag, go ahead and subscribe. Also, feel free to comment below with any videos that you would like to see from me in the future. I really hope that you found this tutorial useful, and good luck on the giveaway. Have a wonderful evening.